Good morning, everyone. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to talk to everybody and just do a little check-in. How did everybody's first week go? I know that for me, it was crazy over here. I know that a lot of you guys had a lot of trouble. Some of you guys totally nailed it, but you know, for a lot of your teachers, just because we're home doesn't mean that we're not really working really hard. Myself and your other teachers, we've been in constant contact with each other, trying to check up on you guys. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to go over some of the things that we think are really important for you guys to focus on. Number one, attendance. Make sure that you sign in on my Google form. Okay, the Google form will always be posted right at the top of the streaming page. You need to click the form and physically sign your name. Don't type in "I'm here" on the main screen, because that does not count as your check-in. Okay, and then what happens is more and more of you do that, and then all of the really important stuff keeps getting pushed to the bottom. Okay. Also, you guys need to turn your assignments in. There are a lot of you who did not do the assignments, and it's just unacceptable. Okay. It's unacceptable. You have, I am posting things for you so you have the whole week to get things done, and you need to be on top of your work. And you know what? If you're struggling, you need to reach out to me. That is what the remind is for. You can email me, you can post a comment, and I will try my best to reach out to you to help you, okay? So what I want to do is I want to take just a couple minutes to go over what you have to do for today. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I will go over exactly what you guys will be seeing when you are logging into the classroom. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so here is our Google Classroom. Okay, so you'll sign on and bam, here is your Google form. You'll click on that and here it is. You fill out all of the information and you hit submit, and now you have officially checked into class. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other assignments that we have posted. Look, you can see here all of the new assignments that have been posted for you. Okay, so to view those, we're going to go over to classwork right up here, classwork. Okay, now I still have the assignments from last week posted up here. I'm not sure if you guys want me to leave those up there or if I'm supposed to take them down. I'll figure that out and I'll let you know. Okay. So here is what your assignment is for today. You are going to edpuzzle. So you're going to open up this tab here. All right. And you're going to go to this website. It should be synced. So you open it up and it should take you directly to this website. The website is called edpuzzle. And you'll see we have a video here. It is 16 minutes long. If you have earbuds, you might want to put the earbuds in. Okay, so off to the side here, we also have some questions that go along with the video. Here's how this works. As the video is going, when it gets to certain places, the video will pause and a set of questions will appear over here for you to answer. After you answer them, the video will continue to play until it reaches another point. Look, you can see down here, these are where all of your question batches will be. Some of the questions are multiple choice. Some of them are an open-ended, which means you have to type in the answer. So make sure that you pay attention to this video. I thought it was really interesting. It gives a really good background on Harriet Tubman's life. And you can't fast forward the video. I have it set up so you cannot fast forward. So these questions here, these are going to be graded, okay? So, excuse me. Once you have watched the video and answered these questions for today, you will go back over here and you will see that we have worksheets that go with it. This gives you some instructions here. You will open up the worksheets. And first we have a song, Songs of Freedom. Make sure you read all of this. You're going to read this poem and interpret the poem by answering these 4 simple questions. As we continue to scroll down, we have the mix and match codes. So it says here, Harriet Tubman was a conductor on the Underground Railroad. Decode her message that she always told people wherever she went. To decode the message below, match the code letters below each blank with the letter in the top row of the code box. Write the matching letter from the bottom row of the code box on the blank above the code letter. All right, so we have a code here. All right, so for example, R. We would scan through here and find R, and the answer is I, so we would put an I here. And you would continue to match the letters until you come up with a phrase. Now, to make this easier when you input your information, if you want, you can write the answer in the box here. Okay, so you're simply going to interpret this message. All right, and then the third component here is the letter blackout. So there are 2 steps to this puzzle. First, you need to black out or cross off every letter that appears 4 times or more. Then you're going to copy the remaining letters from left to right to spell a word that meant freedom to Harriet when she ran away from her master. So we have all of these letters, and we're trying to get this one word. So we want to find any letter that is repeated 4 or more times and cross it off. So for example, if we're going through, we have an R here. There's an R. There's an R. Let's see if we have a 4th R. And there's our 4th R. So you can, if you wanted to print this out and physically, like with a pen or a marker, cross it off, you can. If it helps you to maybe delete it, you could just go through and once you know that there are 4 or more letters, you can delete the letter, whatever you want to do to make it easier. And then once you're done, you'll take all of the letters that remain and they spell a word. Okay, so once you're done with this assignment, the 3 pages here, you will click Turn It In. Okay, this must be turned in today. Okay, I'm giving you until 7 p.m. to do that. Okay, now the third thing that I have created for you is a weekly calendar. Okay. I just thought that this might be helpful for some of you to keep track of your assignments. You can print this out, or you can just simply use this to type it in. So for example, you might want to go in and write here for our class 1, watch video and answer questions. And then you might want to also write down, complete Tubman worksheets. Okay. This just might break things down a little easier for you. And now I also want to point out to you over here on Friday, notice how they changed the schedule for Friday. Okay, so this Friday you will have each class, but for only 30 minutes. So the schedule is posted here. And I can tell you right now, we will probably be doing an Achieve this day. Okay, so if you are having any questions about anything, please make sure that you ask. All right, get on the remind. Okay, get on the remind. It's so important. And every time you log in, you should be looking at the streaming page. I can't tell you how many people ask me questions that I have already answered here in the comments. Okay, so make sure that you are paying attention to all of this. Okay, and so that is all I have for you guys for today. So good luck getting your assignments done. And hopefully we will have a nice, smooth week. All right, bye everyone.